Okay, good evening. Good evening to all. Good evening. Welcome to all and welcome to this session. Hello. Hi, Spani and hi and Levin Ho, hi. And Bharatraj sir, yeah, good evening sir, good evening to all. And Ahmed, hi. And Renuka, hi. And Jose and Krishna Srinivasa, hi. Rahul Raj, hi. So welcome, good evening to all and welcome to all. Okay, wait a second guys, yeah. So once again, good evening to all. So welcome to the Power BI Masterclass series. So today is a day 2. So yesterday we will fully discuss about what is Power BI and how to install the Power BI application and what is basic thing that is Python and how to install the Python software. These are all things we will cover in yesterday's session, right? So today we are see about the Python basics. Fully covered within today's session is a Python basic. Before entering that particular topic, I will remind one important notification. So we will offering one of the particular workshop. The workshop name is Mastering Generative AI, starting basics to advanced concept wise. We will conduct in this particular Generative AI workshop. So this is the one of the So this is the limited time offer. So this is one of the course. The Mastering Generative AI is one of the course. Okay. So this particular course's price is 30,000, but we have give a special offer for you. So that particular course's offer price just 10,000, like 9,999. So 9,999 rupees. So this is validation of this course. Like this price is tomorrow, still tomorrow only. So this particular generative AI mastering workshop conducting in today and tomorrow. There are 2 days the classes will be conducted. So this particular generative AI classes is having concepts of generative AI, deep learning, machine learning, data visualization, and neural networks. These kind of concepts will be covered in this particular generative AI mastering workshop. If anyone interested, we will share this particular registration link in chat box. If anyone interested is useful for you or your friends or your family, for any kind of person is definitely useful for this. So kindly use this particular offer. Okay. So before that, I will show you this particular course's entire detail. Okay. So this course name is Mastering of Generative AI. So this particular two days classes starting with the basics to still brilliance wise, like brilliance advanced concept wise, the classes will be have. And in this particular program overview is that job assistant we will giving to you, and weekly live sessions are available, and HR support is there, and a cashback will be give it into you. So in this particular programming you will attend and you will share it to your reviews and knowledge in the LinkedIn post. Definitely we will give a cashback for this particular course, and a capstone project is available. Free hackathon sessions is also there, and a LinkedIn endorsement is also there. Like we will help to get a placement to you. Okay. So this is the core concept of this particular this generative AI projects. So this is the agenda of topics of this particular generative AI mastering. So hands-on project is the guidance, expert guidance will be giving provided to you, and the module wise we will split it in that particular generative AI mastering. So these are all tools we will using in this particular generative AI class: scikit-learn, Python, Tableau, NumPy, Pandas, PyTorch. So these are all these kind of tools we will used in this particular generative AI class. So we will cover with this neural network and deep learning applications, machine learning techniques, and hands-on projects. These are all the major concepts we will cover in this particular generative AI workshop. If anyone interested of all this, so kindly check it our chat box. We will share it the registration link in this chat box. Okay. So again I remind you, this is the 2 days program, today and tomorrow evening. The time is 6 to 8. The 2 hours, the particular workshop will be conducted. So still the program will be start. If anyone interested, kindly use and join this particular workshop. Okay. Thank you. So again repeat you. So this is the limited time offer. So this valid date still today and tomorrow only. So don't miss this opportunity. Okay. Thank you for your timing. So next we will enter into our Power BI Masterclass series. Okay, already we completed the installation procedure in yesterday class. Today we will forward by that Python basics concept. Still today and also Monday classes we will completed this Python concept. Next we were entering into the visualization concept. Okay. So I already told this. So how many people you know that Python? I don't know. So we will start with that scratch to advanced. Okay. So some people don't know about that Python knowledge. Don't have a knowledge in this Python, right? So then only I will repeat it, that Python basics, Python concept. If you know about this, kindly stay and calm and recall this to helpful for you also. Okay. So first one, what are the basics concept? So data types, variables, expressions and string operations. So we will see that what is data type and what is variable and what is expression and also what is string operations. So this kind of basics, what are that? Then we also have one of the examples for this each and every one. Okay. So first one is a data types. So what are the data types is that numbers, strings and booleans. This is the most and important data types in Python. Okay. Repeatedly we will using these three kind of data types. So what is numbers and what is strings and what is boolean. In upcoming slides we will see the example also in this particular data types. So next one, first we will see about the numbers. So now the 10 and 11.2 and 2 plus 5j are all there. So what are this? First one is a 10. 10 is an integer. Why we said like this integer means the whole number called in the integer value in Python. Same like that, the point value like decimal values is called as a float in Python. So 2 plus 5j is a complex number. Complex number means one real number plus one imaginary number. Okay. If you are computer science students, you know about this. The particular complex number is mostly used in that mathematical projects. Like in deep learning, we will repeatedly using this kind of complex number. So generally the general concept we cannot use that particular complex number. Okay. So mostly we will using the integer and also float. So just we know. So what is the complex number and what is float and integers. So this is the numbers type. So same like that, if I give a 20 means the 20 is called as an integer. Because the whole value is called as an integer value in Python. Okay, my voice is break. Okay, wait a second guys. Now it's okay. Hello. Now it's okay. Now it's clear or not? So kindly anyone reply in chat box. So my voice is clear or not? Yeah, yes. Thank you, Harini. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Thank you all. Thank you for your response. Thank you. Okay. So these are all the numbers type. So 10 is a whole number. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for your response. Okay, some disturbance is there. Okay. Okay, wait a second, guys. Once I'll check it. So who are like that voice break voice like some echo is there? Kindly check it your internet, and once you exit with the live, like quit with the live, and again rejoin that, then we can adjust. So most of the people said like that is clear. So one or two people facing this kind of problems. Okay, thank you. So this is the numbers concept. Okay, so next, how to convert the one type into the another type. So now the 5 is a whole number, that is called as a 5. Okay, why is this echo? Only one or two people is saying like this kind of problems, like, so most of the people said like that this is clear. Okay, fine. So background voice is there now. Okay, wait a second, I will check it once again. Okay, now it's clear. So already I will do that all kind of things. In my side there is no issue. Okay, robotic sound. Yeah, most of the people said like that the voice is clear. So one or two people said that some problems. Continuous noise. Okay, wait a second, guys. Okay, now it's okay. So now it's any noises is there or not? Okay, clear, super. Okay, little bit robotic voice. Okay, in this particular session kindly adjust that. So in upcoming session we will clear that. Okay, so I don't know. Okay, fine. Okay, so we will continue that. So kindly adjust in this today's session only. So in upcoming session we will clear that. Okay. So first in this slide we will see about number type conversion, like one type into the another type. So now the 5 is a whole number, right? How to converting it to the another type? So we are using that particular int keyword. We can converting that particular 5 into another value of 5.3.2. In this particular 5.3.2 means that is decimal number, that is float, right? So randomly the value will be converted. So the float means the float value into the integer value. So complex means complex value into whole integer value into converting into complex value. Okay. So just wait a second. I will show the example. Then only we can understand easily. Okay. So I am going to collab. So I will introducing one of the code editing platform. Already I said in yesterday's session. So there is some kind of what is that? Applications is there, like code editing applications. The one of the application is Collaboratory, Google Collab. It also one of the online application is very useful for practice session like that. Okay, I will changing some settings. Okay, fine. So now I will show the example. Okay, so first 20 is a whole number. Same like 7.5, that is the float. Same 2 plus 5j, so that is complex number. Okay, so once I run this, so 2 plus 5j will be executed. Yeah, Jupyter is also okay for this. So that is there is lots of online editing is there. So Python will be support on the all kind of platforms. So if you want to use the Jupyter, kindly use that. Okay, so now I will check the type of this particular value. So I give it a type of function. The type keyword is using for which kind of type our value is there. Okay, so you can use the type of function is find out the particular type in your data value. So if I run this, so 2 plus 2 5j is a complex. If I need the everyone's value means I will give it to the print statement. So print of and Okay, wait a second, guys. Yeah, print, and again print. So if I give a print statement, the each and every value executed at the same time. Okay, so first one is an integer. Already I told this whole number like 20, 21, 22 starting with an 1, still 1000, 10,000 like that values is called as an integer. The point value comes like that is called as a float. 7.5 is a point value, right? Decimal value. So that is called as a float. So third one is a complex. So 2 plus 5j, one real number, another imaginary number, like 5j is an imaginary number. This is called as a complex. Okay, so this is the way we can identify that particular value is in which kind of data type. Okay, so next one, how to convert in the each one value into the another like another type. Yeah, I will take that same value. So now 20 is converting into the float type, like 20 is an integer. That integer value is converting into the float type. Okay, so I give it as an int as 20. If I run this, okay, sorry, already is int, right? So converting into the float. Integer, like 20 is an integer value. Now I converting as a float value. So now the 20 is coming like a 20.0. Okay. So next I will converting into the float into whole number. So 7.5 is my float value. I am converting into the whole value, that is integer value. The 7 will be there. So if I give it as 7.9 means that is also 7. So the point value will be reduced. So that is the work of this particular keyword. If I give it as a complex value, like complex of 20 means, so 20 plus 0j. So the 20 is a real number, 0j is an imaginary number. So this is the way we can create the values. Okay. Wait a second. Yeah. So this is the type. This is the way we can converting the one type into the another type conversion. Next one is a string. The string is important for our Python. Why? Because in any kind of value we can give it to my Python software. The Python will be expected the one of the value. Okay. So the text is called as a string. The number is called as an integer, and float point value is called as a float, and true or false is called as a boolean. So this is the way we can denote our values. Then only the Python will be accept that. If I giving that hello, right? The hello is like one of the text. Then in that particular value hello, I will give it to that denote from the quotation. Then only the Python can accept that this is string. Without quotation, I will give it the word is getting error. Okay. So once I show this, okay, fine. Okay. Now I give it my name, okay, Shankar. I will print this particular my name. So print as a Shankar. If I run this, is getting error. So that is name error, because the particular Shankar text does not have a value. So collaboration by online editor. Already I told this is an online editor. That is Python is also present in this particular collab, right? So now I give it as my name as a text wise is getting error. So why? Because Python only accepted the any values. See, if I text is yeah, so you see that now the particular my name will be executed. So before that I will give it my name is any symbols is not mentioned. Just to give my name is getting error, because name error, the particular the particular word Shankar is not defined. Now I define my name as one of the data type, that is string. If I checking my name is which data type, so I give it as a type of function. Is give it output for this is my name is a string. Str means a string. So int is an integer, float, complex, same like the particular text is mentioned like this format quotation, that is called as a string. Okay. So this is the way we can denote our input like this format. Okay. So next one is a boolean, the true or false. So our output comes like a true or false format, that is boolean. So next one is a variable. So variable is nothing but we can storing our value if one of the container is called as a variable. Okay. Okay, still robotic voice. Okay. So again I repeat you, kindly adjust this in this particular session. So in upcoming session we will shout out that particular error, like this mistake. So I don't know why my voice is here like that. Okay. So now the variables is one of the container. So now you see this picture. The fruits is called as a values. In that storing boxes is containers is called as a what is that? Sorry. The fruits is a values. The container is a variable. Why? Because the particular fruits will storing in that particular container. Same like that. In our values also storing like as one of the container, that is variables. Okay. Once now I show the examples for this one also. So already I give my name in like just print statement wise. Now I will store it my name as one of the variable. Okay, so name is equal to storing as a Shankar Ganesh. Okay, then I will give to my age is equal to 25. So then what is that? Designation is a developer. I will give it as a developer. Okay. So now I run this. The values will be storing in this particular variable. In this place, Shankar Ganesh, my name is a values. That storing variable is called as storing the name as a variable. Now I storing my name as this particular variable name, and same like 25 is a value, the age is a variable. Same like the developer is a value, the designation as a variable. Once I will giving I want this values. So I want this values as output means once I will call this particular variable name, then only the value will be executed. So print, I will print the name variable, then only my name will be executed. Print the name, the Shankar Ganesh will be executed. So same like that, I print the age. Print the age, that is 25. So if I print the designation means my designation is developer will be executed. No print state. Okay, wait a second. Yeah, like Colab will be accepted if is no needed for this particular online editors. One of the online editors is no need the print statement. Without print statement, the variable will be called like that. If you are using that IDLEs, like Python's IDLE is there means definitely you will mention that particular variable name as a print keyword. Without print keyword, there is no output will be there. Okay, so next one, so this is the variable format. We can store it our value as one of the container. That container is called as a variable. Okay, so next one, so this is the example. So the 5 is a value, the x is a variable. We can store it our value as this particular x variable. The hello is also same like that. The true is also same like that. We are using this is equal to operator to helpful for store it our value. So next one, rules for Python variable. So the Python is also having some kind of rules. So what are the rules means? The variable names only starts with the letter and the underscore. The variable is not start with the numbers and special characters. So already like knowing people is there. So others will be know that variables only starts from the letters or underscore. Is cannot start from the numbers and cannot start from the any special characters. And variables is a case sensitive. Which kind of case you will give it to that in your variable name, same format followed by the print statement. Okay, so now you see that I will give it to the 3 Okay, 3x. So this is my variable name. I will store it my what is that? Friend name Shiva. Okay. If I run this, is getting error because syntax error, invalid decimal literal. That means the variable cannot accept the particular variable name is a start from the numbers. And same like that, I will give a plus operator. Okay, a plus. I start from the symbols, that also is not accepted. So only accepted in the underscore or what is that? Letters. So now the underscore is accepted from the variable. Now I will print this particular underscore x. I will call this particular variable name. Automatically the Shiva value will be executed. Okay. So this is the way. This is the rules of Python's variable. Okay. So next one is a string operations. So now only we can see the strings. So if any kind of text you will give it as an input, you can denote that particular text or words denote as a quotation. Then only the particular word is considered as a string. Okay. So first one is the length of the string. How can we find out the length of this particular our word? So now the hello is there. Okay. The hello is how many characters presented in this particular hello word, that count will be executed. That is the length of string. Okay. We see that in this string will be converting like counting as that each and every character. So in this phase is having 4 character, F-A-C-E, 4 character. So the length will be, the output becomes like 4. So the hello is having 6 character, right? 5 character. So now my output is in this place, my output is 5. So what will we do? So we can using this, that just the len statement is using for find out the characters count in our each string. Okay. So now I already having some kind of values, right? So now by checking in this place, len of name, I find out my name's character length count. So in my name is having, okay, Shankar is a 6 and Ganesh is also 6. So totally 12 characters is there. Okay, if I run this, my output will becomes like a 12. So this comes like a 13. Why? So already I told this, the len function is using for to find out the count of my what is the strings count. So now my name is having 12 characters only. Shankar S-A-N-K are 6 and Ganesh is also 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So why the 13 will become? Anyone know this? What is the reason? If any Python knowing people is there, kindly answer for this. Hello. So attendance will be give it as the end of the session. Yeah, I like Mugudan. Yeah, super. The space is also count as one of the character. Yeah, super Syam Sundar and also yeah, Niveta. Yeah, super. Thank you all for your response and super, very good to all. So because in my Shankar and Ganesh, in between that words, the space will be presented here, right? So the space is also considered as one of the count, one of the character. So then only the 13 will be there. Now I give it as another space. So there is 2 spaces is there. Okay. So now it's 14. There is 2 spaces is there. So that 2 spaces also count. What is that? Take like one of the count, like character count. Yeah. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for your response and very good to all. So this is the way we can find out our characters count. Okay. So now I find out my designation. So designation is having like I think 8 characters, right? Oh, sorry, 9. So develop. Yeah, right. So there is 9 characters. So developer is having 9 characters, so 9 will be there. So this is the way we can find out our counts. Strings count. So the len function is using for to count off our string. So next one is the indexing. The indexing is important for our Python concept. So the indexing is having each and every character is having one of the index value. So how in our school days or college days is each and every student is having one of the roll number, right? So me also having one of the roll number, and you also in school, in your school days, you also having one of the roll numbers, is there, right? So same like that, in our string also having one of the particular roll number that is called as the indexing number. Okay, so we cannot assign manually in that each and every character's index number. Automatically, based on our strings count, automatically the numbers will be stored. So you see that the Python word is there. So in the each and every character is having one of the index number. So P is a 0 and Y is a 1 and T is a 2, H is a 3, O is a 4 and N is a 5. So each and every character is having one of the index value. In this index value is starting from a 0 to still how many character is there? The character will be, like the number of count will be executed. Okay. If I need as like how we can using this index. If I mention my variable name and pass mention the particular index value. If a 0 means, in this example 0 means the H will be executed. If changing 1 means the E will be executed. Okay, so I will show the example for this one also. So now I will take my name also. In this place also I will take my name. So I will give it as my name, like name of 3. So I give it as a third index. I will getting my name. The third index character will be executed. So what is the third index of my name? So S is a 0 and A is a 1, N is a 2 and K is a 3. So the K is in third index, right? So automatically if I run this one, the S character will be, K character will be executed. So the K will be executed, right? If I changing that 8, the G is an 8th index. The G character is presented in the 8th index. Okay, so this is the way we can find out the index values. Okay, when will you conduct the Power BI Masterclasses? So Reddy Sadish already is in yesterday's session already informed this. So we will cover with the basics of like basic things. Then only we are move on to the advanced concept, right? So Python is a basic for data visualization, like the same like as a Power BI. So then only we can understanding the Python. Then only we are move on to the Power BI classes. Okay, like in 1 or 2 days we will complete the Python basics, and next we are entering into that visualization concept like Power BI. Okay, so kindly wait. If you know the Python, kindly stay calm and listen. Yeah, Harini Ramu 7. So what is the meaning of 7? Oh, if I give a 7, okay, fine. So if I give it a 7th index means in my name 7th index the space character is presented. You see that? That is space character is there. So then only the empty spaces will be there. The quotation is meaning empty space is there. Okay. So this is the indexing value. So next one is a string slicing. So this string slicing also same like that, starting to end value. So we can slicing our word with the help of the index number. We can slicing the word with the help of the index number 0 to still so based on our values the character will be sliced. So in this place the hello is there, right? So first one 0 is to 3 means starting within 0, 1, 2, 3 still the 3 index number will become automatically the word will be sliced. So HEL, the L only executed, the LO is not executed in this slicing format. The is to 3 is also same like that. The HEL only is executed, the LO is not executed. Okay, so I will show the example for this one also. The slicing is using for, with the help of the index number we can slicing that particular word. Okay. Okay, so now I show the example for my name. So I am mentioning like a 1:6. Okay, fine. So I will give it to my name as a 1:6. If I run this, what is the output of my name? So ANKAR. So still yes, and yes is ignore other values will be executed, right? So ANKAR. Why? Because S is having a S is the 0th index. So I will starting from a first index to still 6th index. So then only the S will be ignored, the A and KAR will be executed. The last 6th index is the space value. The space value is not executed. Every time if you, the last value is a n minus 1. Based on the index and also slicing method, the last value is a n minus 1. The last value is not executed. If I give it as a 5 means the A and KA only executed, the R is ignored, the R is not executed. Do you see that? Because the last value is an n minus 1. So then only we will mentioning that if we want a full value, we can give it a value as an increased value. If I give a 6 means anchor will be executed. Okay. Yeah, minus 1 is a US indexing. So the minus value is the same like that. So based on the negative numbers, the high value is have a low value and low value is in high value, right? So the minus 5 is the low value, minus 1 is the high value. So then only the negative number will be presented in a reverse order. Okay. So how the positive number is starting the small value into big value, same like that the minus value is also starting from a small value into big value. Then only the format comes like a reverse format. If we want the minus value, we can index slicing our word means we will giving like a same format. So name is minus okay, is the reverse format means I think minus 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so totally 14 characters presented in my word and my name. Okay, so I give it as a 14 is to minus 10. So what is the output for us? Okay, sunk. So why? Because the minus 10 is a A value, like the A is having a minus 10. So S is a minus 14, A is a minus 13, N is a minus 12, and K is a minus 11, and A is a minus 10. So then only the A is a not executed. Yeah, like Jyotisna. So all of us stay calm. So yesterday is some problems is the like attendance link is not working for all. So no issue. Today we will share it that attendance link in this chat box. So you will fill it your attendance. So don't worry about that. Don't asking the attendance link. Okay, end of this session, definitely we will share it the attendance link in chat box and also your WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, so this is the string slicing format. Okay, so next one, string concatenation. The string concatenation is using for to combine the two different string is a same single string. So now the hello is a one of the string and the world is a one of the string. So now I combine these two hello, my output, I need output like to combine this both word, that is hello world. So how can we do that? The help of the plus, this plus symbol, I will combine the two different strings. The plus symbol is using for to adding the values, right? So same like that in text format is combining the two different string. Okay, so now I will combine the two different strings like string concatenation. So now I will give it as a print of my name. Okay, name plus designation. My name and my designation will be combining as a single string. My name is one of the different string. My what is that? Designation is one of the different string, right? So if I run this, the both will be comes like a single string. So Shankar space Ganesh developer. So why? Because my name is the Shankar and Ganesh is in between that the two spaces is there, right? If I need another like another space for this developer and Ganesh means I give it the space in this end of the Ganesh. Now if I run this, so Shankar Ganesh developer is an executor. Okay, the square bracket is using for only indexing values. If we can using for indexing, like in this place all we are using indexing numbers, right? So the 7 we can accessing our particular variable name, like in my name I will accessing the 7th index value. So then only I will using the square bracket. So same like the slicing also with the help of the index number, then only I am mentioning the square bracket. So in this place we can using the just normal bracket, that is parenthesis. If you want print down kind of the word, I passing that or passing some kind of methods, you will using the normal brackets. So otherwise if you using the index numbers, you can using the square bracket. Okay, fine. Yeah, super, Riyaz Agamat. So that's the exact answer for this. So this is the way we can combine the two different string. If you need a space means kindly mentioning this in your string, you give it as one of the space in between that or end of the string. You can give a one kind of space. Is maintain the space in your output. Okay, so like this. So next one is a string format. So string format is using for to combine the two different string. So before that we will combine the same data type, right? We combine the same data type, like same string, two different string we can combining into a single string. But in this place we can combining into the one string into the one data type into the another data type. Okay, so in this place the his age is a string and 20 is an integer, right? 20 is a number, the 20 is a different data type. So we cannot combine the two different data type at the same time. It's getting error. So I will show that. Now I will combining my name and the age. Okay, so print of name plus age. If I run this, is getting error. Do you see that? That is type error. Can only concatenate string and string to string. We cannot combining the integer to string. We see that this error. We cannot combining the integer to string. So then only I will mentioning that. If you want to combine the two different two different data types means we can using the string format. So that is the example for this. You can see in this play coding, like age is a 20, right? Okay, wait, kindly wait please. So in 5 minutes we will share the attendance links. Don't asking repeatedly. Okay. So definitely you will get your attendance link. Okay, don't worry about that. So okay, we can using the string format is helpful for to combine the two different data type. Okay, so now I see the example. So by using the string format the f with the formatted string and give it as a quotation for this particular statement. You can see that. So we can combine the string and numbers using the string format method. So in between that, a placeholder should be created with that particular variable. We can pass it our variable name or values. Definitely we can enclose it with that particular placeholders. That is say like that curly braces. So mentioning like this format. Why? Because the 20 value store it as a age. So we can passing the age value in this particular string format. So then only we can mentioning the placeholder. Then only the output will become. Okay, I will show you. You see that. So the name is a different variable and age is a different variable, right? So now I will give it a placeholder in this two different values. Okay, so now I run this. The name will be executed. The age is also executed. And I see that the Shankar Ganesh plus 25. The plus symbol is considered as a string format. Then only the particular symbol will be executed the same like that. If I remove this, you see that Shankar Ganesh 25. So already the value is there, right? Already create that the same variable. Repeatedly the variable will be using in repeated format. Okay, so if I directly I can assigning my some name. Okay, for example, okay, I give it a Siva. So directly I will passing my string and the age is 26. If I run this, the Siva 26 will be executed. So we can directly pass it the values and also we can store it the variable and we can call the variable, that also the value will be executed. There is two kind of methods. We can directly pass it the value and also store it on particular variable, and we can use that variable and get it the output for this particular variable name. So this is the way we can create the string format and find the index. So next one is the index format. Okay, yeah, so these are all the string methods. So the index is using for this will return the index position of the specified string. Okay, see, for example, I will give it as a W in this place. Hello everyone, welcome to this class. So this is our input value, like one of the statement. Okay, so x dot index is the function is using for find out the index number. Okay, so I give it as a W. So W is a which indexes have. For example, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So W is a 16 index. W's characters position is a 16th index. So my output is a 16. Okay. Same like as a count. The count is using for how many times the word will be repeatedly comes. So that is the count will be there. The count function is using for find out the particular words count. Okay. So next one is a capitalize. The capitalize function is using for to converting the first character as a capital, like uppercase format. That is capitalize. Upper is using for whole character, like whole word will be converting as a uppercase format. Lowercase all like whole word will be again converting into the lowercase format. Replace is then one particular value is replaced from another value. In this place, the welcome to Python course is there. Now by replacing the Python instead of the data science. Sorry, you can replacing the data science instead of the Python word, right? This is the replace function. In this replace 2 isn't. So how many times the particular word will be replaced, 1 or 2, like that. So split function is using for to splitting the one string into the multiple strings. So that is the split function. So is in this particular comma is using for which place we can splitting that. So in this place the comma is there, right? So we can splitting into the comma format. So hi comma, hello comma, everyone comma, like that format. So find function is also same like that index format. We can mentioning one kind of character, the index number will be executed. So more or less the index and find will be same like that. Okay. So now we can see the example for this each and every one. Okay, wait a second. Okay, fine. So now I show the examples for this each and every one. So in string methods. So give a index as a e. Okay, fine. I will give you the index e value. So based on my name, I will using in this my name in this place. So Shankar Ganesh is my name, right? So the attendance link will be provided in the chat box. So kindly fill it your attendance. So most of the people repeatedly asking this attendance, right? So the attendance link will be provided. So kindly fill it your attendance. So day 1 attendance is share it in your WhatsApp. Already you are a registered people, right? So day 1 attendance will be shared in your WhatsApp. So you can fill it in your WhatsApp wise. So now you give it your day 2 attendance only. So okay. So now I give it my name. So name dot index of my like who's that? Like Srinivas will be asking. Dr. Srinivas sir will be asking like E. So now I give it as a E character. So that is 11. So why 11 means in my particular name E character will be presented as a 11th index. So we can count that. So S is a 0, A is a 1, N is a 2, and K is a 3, and A is a 4, and R is a 5, and space is a 6, and again space is a 7, G is a 8, and A is a 9, and N is a 10, and E is a 11. So the E character is presented in the 11th index. Yeah, like if you are registered people, right? Oh, sorry. Yeah. So you are all the registered people. So definitely you have one of the WhatsApp group. Okay, a silent boy. So don't worry. In next session, we will share it a WhatsApp group link. You will using that. If anyone interested, kindly join that particular link and join with our community. Okay, So if you need any, what is that? Like if you need my presentation and my working notebooks, kindly join with our internship. You will get it that all sources. If you want Raj Shekhar, you want a presentation, kindly join with our internship. So just now we will. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So the pinned comment is the day 2 attendance. The day 1 attendance also we can share it now. So kindly give it your 2 days attendance. Yeah, exactly. So kindly remind that we will share it as a WhatsApp group link. In that particular group, you will asking your doubt and queries. Yeah, Aravind. So now just now we can give it a day 1 attendance. So now I continue the session. So the index function is using for find out that particular word character's index value. Okay. So next one is okay. Srini was asking one. Okay, you have two same letters. Then with one will be taken as index. Yeah, exactly. First, which character is that? That particular index value only executed. So I'll show the example for this. So you have a doubt, right? So x is equal to okay, good. Okay, so now I find out the index value for this particular good. Okay, so x dot index. Okay, so now I give it as a character O. So the O will be comes like a 2 times. So which number will be there? Okay, x is not there. Oh, sorry, I will not run this one. Okay, fine. So 1. So G is a 0 and second O is a 1 and second next is O is a 2 and D is a 3. That is only 4. That totally 4 characters only there. So why the 1 will be there? Because first O will be presented as the first index. Then only the 1 will be there. How many zeros like characters will be computed comes like a repeatedly. The index is taking as a first index character only take. Okay, so this is the index value. So next one is a count. So count is in how many times the particular word will be comes like that. Okay, so now I show the example, that is x dot count of O. So that this particular O character, how many times they repeatedly comes? 5 times. You see that there is 5 O character is there. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, like that. 5 characters, the 5 times the particular O value will be comes. So the count is a 5 will be executed. So we cannot directly insert in this particular string. Okay, there is no comment. Sorry, there is not function is there. So just we can access how many values is there and where is the index value is there. And also replace, we can replace the character, but we cannot insert the new value in your current string. Okay, so this is the count. The count value is using for how many times that particular character will be repeatedly comes. In my name base we can check. So name dot index. Okay, screen not clear. Okay. Okay, fine. So that is your wish. If you join with our internship, you can get the presentation, my presentations and my just working notebook and my guidance, all of that you can get. So once you can join our internship, you will get this kind of resources. Okay, so that is your wish. So I will inform to you, okay, so what is the benefits of this our particular internship, right? So once again, I will repeat the index benefits. So say internship benefits. Wait a second. Okay. So these are all the benefits of our this particular Power BI internship. So there is 30 days exclusive recording sessions is available, and all presentations, downloadable source codes, and all kind of resources we will provide it to you. And exclusive 7+ projects with the codes and downloadables are available in this particular internship. And the certificate will be provided, IETE confirmation letter plus certificate will be provided. 90 days of LMS Course Access. LMS course means that recording sessions. Okay. Assignment plus task will be conducted. And join our VIP community groups and community channels, and high valued IET certificate will be provided to you. Okay, so these are all the benefits for our internship. If anyone interested, if you need this kind of benefits, kindly join with our internship. You definitely will get this kind of 8 benefits. Okay, in this particular internship registration fees 2,999. Our discount fees is 799. Okay, already the registration link will be shared in your chat box. Kindly check it once. And there is a limited time offer. Coming 12th, this offer will be end. So don't miss this offer. Okay. So this is the way we can give it our payment. So once you click the link, automatically you redirect to this particular page. You give it your name and personal details. And once you can pay the amount, definitely you can get the internship details about in your mail ID and also WhatsApp base. You can get the details about in this internship. Okay, so don't miss this offer. Like Tashiba already now we are all sharing the attendance link in chat box. So kindly check it in the chat box. So now we can share it our internship link also. Anyone interested, kindly join with our internship. Okay. Okay, so already we completed the count function. Count is to to count of that how many times the particular word will be repeated. The count function is using for that. The capital is using for to converting the first character as a capital wise. Uppercase is and the whole word will be converting as uppercase. Lower is and whole word will be converting as a lowercase. So I will show the example for this 3 and we can move on to the next one. So x dot capitalize. I run this. So good. You see that the good word is that the first character will be converting like as a G is in capital Y. So G x dot uppercase is using for. So whole character will be converting like as a uppercase. And x dot lower means the whole word will be converting as a lowercase. So next one is a replace function. The replace function is using for one particular character in case of instead of we can changing the another character. Okay, wait a second. Once I will resend this particular link. Okay, again I resend the 2 days attendance link. Okay, so who are all not mentioned the not give it attendance, kindly give it your attendance, so don't miss that. So the replace function is using for we can change the one character into the another character. So now the O is there, right? If I give it the O instead of A, so what is the output of this? Okay, I will give it as a 0. Sorry for this. So where the O will be there, the entire O character is replaced as a character. The GAD is there. Okay. So now the good is that the instead of the mentioning A, so all O character will be replaced from the A character. Okay, because I cannot mentioning that particular character will be replaced. So I am not mentioning any values. So then only the whole values will be replaced as a new value. Okay. So this is the way we can change it our replacing the values from one value into the another value. So in this place we can mentioning the two is the position. In this place we can mentioning the position. Okay. So do you see that comma? Okay, 2. So first 2 characters only change it as a. Do you see that? The O is an already presented value. The A is an replaced value. The 2 is an how many places the particular new character will be replaced. I am mentioning as a 2 means first 2 character will be replaced. The first O is replaced from the A. Replaced to the A character. Okay, so this is the way we can converting the one character into the another character. It's a replace function working like this. So next one is a split function. So split is using for to split the word as two different strings, multiple strings. So name dot split. So now I run this. Now the Shankar and Ganesh. Do you see that? Shankar Ganesh is a single string. In my name is presented as a name variable as a single string. Okay, so it's a single string, but I am using the split function is splitting into the two different strings. So Shankar is one of the string, Ganesh is one of the string. So this is the way we can splitting our values like this. So next one is a find function. This is also same like a index value, like index function for that. We can mentioning one particular character, the particular character which place is presented. So name dot what is that? Find, find of mentioning that particular character, that is H. So the H is presented in the 13th index, so automatically 13 will be executed. If I give it as a E means that is 11th index, the E will be executed. If I give it as a N, that is 2 is executed. So based on my character's index position, the particular index number will be executed. Okay. So this is the way we can check it our string methods. Okay. So today we will complete the Python's basics concept. So tomorrow there is one of the middle concept, like that is core concept of the Python. Then we are move on to the major topic, that is visualization and also Power BI concept. Okay. So I hope you are understanding this today's Python's concept, like Python basics. If you have any queries or any doubts is there, kindly contact this particular contact number and mail ID. I will give it to that. So whenever you can, if you want support, kindly contact this number and also mail ID. We will support to you. Yeah, okay, thank you all, thank you so much. Okay, Srinath will asking one thing, like what if you have multiple alphabets? So you asking about my example, right? So lastly, I will give it to my own particular alphabet. Okay, so the name is one of the character presenting in my name. So I will find out the particular n's index position. That is the find function. Then when I will changing the alphabetic's name. So if I G alphabet means the G character is presenting in my name. So in this G is which kind of position is there? There is 8th position, 8th index position. The G character is there. Then when I will changing the alphabetics. Yeah, definitely, Sushant. If you using the index position, the first occurrence index value only executed. So we cannot replacing the more than characters. Just only we can one character into the another character. We cannot multiple characters at the same time. Yeah, the today's class is over. Okay, I will give it as a alphabet. Okay, fine. If A and run that, the A's position is a 1. In my name, the A's character position is a 1. So first the index, then only the 1 will be executed. Yeah, thank you for the remaining. Tomorrow is no classes. So tomorrow is a Monday, so no classes is there. So we will meet with the Sunday. Sorry, confused. Tomorrow is a Sunday, so that is tomorrow is a holiday. So Monday we will be meet. Definitely you can follow that. Yeah, definitely we can contact. I will share it to the numbers, WhatsApp number and the contact number and mail ID also there. If any queries, kindly contact with us. No. So this kind of is a basics. Okay. So this kind of basic is useful for our visualizing. In Python wise, how can we visualizing the data? Then we can move on to the Power BI. Okay. So it's helpful for our visualization concept. Then only I will take that this kind of concept in before Power BI topics. Definitely is used for our visualization concept. In 2 days after we will entering into the visualization, so don't worry. Okay, so if you like the session and give it a like and share and definitely subscribe, then only we can follow with us. If you need a more knowledge about this kind of Python and related to Power BI, kindly follow with our channel, then only you can get the notification for this. Yeah, that's also one of the core concept of the Python. Yeah, okay, thank you all. So once again I repeat it. So if anyone you have queries, kindly contact with us. The contact number is there and mail ID is also there. The session related or internship related or technical wise related any kind of questions, kindly contact with us. Yeah, definitely. Python is basic. Like Tashiba, like the Power BI is one of the visualization tool. Okay, so before one of the short explanation for that particular Power BI tool, how can we create the visualization plot with help of the Python software? Then we can go into that major concept of Power BI. Just we can give it as one of the short introduction about that Power BI. How can we create the plotting with the help of the coding wise? Then only I will mentioning the Python in this place. Yeah, tell me Srinivas sir. Yeah, thank you sir, Bharat Raj Singh sir, thank you all. So Dr. Srinivas sir, so asking one of the doubt, yeah. So we will create our own. We cannot use AI sir. Manually we can create the presentations. Yeah, thank you, Yamini and Sri Krishnan, thank you so much. So this kind of codes and presentations we will create it as a own thing. We cannot using the AIs. Yeah, okay sir, thank you so much. Okay, thank you all. So we will meet with the Monday session. So again, once again I repeat it. So tomorrow is Sunday, there is no classes tomorrow. So kindly you are all come with the Monday session. Thank you all.